My friend Erica over at BrideBrite introduced me to this new teeth whitening system. Whitening my teeth is one of my favorite things, because I do YouTube videos and I want to look the best that I can look in my videos. Also, I'm a wedding hair and makeup artist, and brides are always asking me for tips and tricks to look better for their wedding ceremony. And I thought this would be a great thing to offer them at the bridal trial when we do. They ask about facials and lash extensions and microblading for their brows, cool sculpting, laser hair removal, and so I figured this would be another good thing that I could tell them about, because who doesn't want white teeth for the wedding? And it's BrideBrite Wedding White Teeth, and it comes in this great box, and this is the light, and this is the charger. And it's easy to charge. See the little dots there? This has the 2 dots here, and it's magnetized, and you can plug it into your computer, or just like you charge your phone. But this is really a neat, I think that's neat technology. All right, then underneath you have a guide so you can compare and keep track of your teeth whitening process, and these pins. And so here's how you do it. You dry your teeth off, you paint your teeth with the pen, you scroll it up until you get a bead of gel on the end, and you get each individual tooth. Then you hold the button for 3 seconds until the light comes on. Then you can toggle it. The blue, the red, or the blue and red together. The blue is for the whitening. The red is for gum health. And then you can do them both at the same time. And you can't see it but there's the blue and the red lights are lit up there. And I'm going to show you how I do it. Because I just did a makeup video, and I had lots of confidence because my teeth are very white now. And here's my pen. I'm going to dry my teeth. Now let them stay dry. Roll the gel up and paint it on. I like to get in between too. I drink lots of coffee. Hold on for a second. So I kept the light in for 10 minutes, and even though my teeth were really white before I started, I would say they're even whiter now. I'm not experiencing any sensitivity. My gums don't hurt. I don't have any zings in my teeth. And if I did, if my teeth were sensitive, they include a desensitizer. But my teeth aren't sensitive, so I'm going to save it in case I overdo it. They recommend that you not use it any quicker than 24 hours after the last use. I hope that you'll try this kit. I think you'll enjoy it. Who doesn't want white teeth? Everybody wants white teeth. And it makes you, it's great if you're a bride and you're getting married and you want your teeth to look white, especially if you're going to wear white. And if you're older like I am and you're not necessarily a bride, it's also anti-aging for your teeth to be whiter. Give the BrideBrite a try. The link is in the description box. Let me know in the comments if you like this kind of video. I'm very excited about this kit, and my husband's jealous. He wants it too. So, may have to get him one.